Hi. Now let us see quality assurance for concrete. What do you mean quality assurance? The quality control of concrete construction involves two aspects. First one is it should be ensured that concrete as a material has desired characteristics such as durability, serviceability, safety, and aesthetics. The structure constructed using concrete should have good performance. Right? Quality means excellence, excellent one. It is thus philosophy rather than a mere attribute. The difference between two objects is judged by their qualities. Okay? By means of quality. Assurance means by means of quality. Quality assurance in construction activities guides the use of correct structural design, specifications, and other proper materials, ensuring that the quality of workmanship is achieved. Quality assurance in the construction of concrete structure, quality assurance is necessary to give good performance and appearance throughout its intended life is attained. It is useful for promoting the quality schemes by engineers. The designers depends upon this for reputation and professional failure to appearance. It is a system of procedures for selecting the level of quality required for a project or a portion to perform the functions intended and assuring that those levels are obtained. Operation of quality assurance system. This consists of the following. One is organization, auditing, review line, then feedback. Let us see first one, organization. It requires clear definition of responsibilities and relationship for the total construction project. Number 2, auditing. This requires the ability to determine that the task defined under responsibilities are continuously being executed according to stated methods. Number 3, review line. It requires continuous checks on process methods and action procedures adopted if stated requirements are not being met. Number 4, feedback. It requires detection in measurable terms of causes of errors that generated defects. Acceptance control procedure in quality assurance. Acceptance control procedure are required to be applied to the material and to the structural members at the end of each constructional operation. It is often the duty of the person who is to the continue work on the resultant product to check such compliance. It may be done at critical stages by an independent authorized body during regularity inspection. Compliance may also be undertaken by the design engineer, and in this case, a problem of cost for more regular inspection of work than its usual may arise. Unfortunately, no universal scheme for inspection for all such stages of connection can hope to cover the many variations observed on site. Probably the most connecting evidence of well conducted inspections lies in the documentations which forms the inspection records. Inspection records should include written checkline for items inspected, inspection results, acceptance criteria, non-compliance remarks, inspector's signature and company affiliations. Advantages of quality control process. It helps to minimize failures. It results into lower cost of construction as higher stresses can be assumed. The structure becomes durable with lower cost of maintenance. It helps in improved utilization of scarce resources and in extended utilization of low grade materials. Thank you.